Everyone, good morning. Today we are going to make the Mandel's pain preparation. Okay, these are the main ingredients of Mandel's pain preparations: iodine, potassium iodide, peppermint oil and glycerin. Okay, this previous video we discussed all the actions of these ingredients and uses of Mandel's pain. Okay, now we start to how to make this Mandel's pain preparations. Before going our preparation, we just check your balance. If you are this balance in equilibrium position or not. How to check? If your the central needle crosses the equal distances from left to right and right to left, that means your balance in equilibrium. After you get the equilibrium position, we just start the weighing process. That is your first ingredient is iodine. Iodine we are going to prepare 15 ml of Mandel's pain. So this iodine this 200 milligram of iodine I am going to weighing. Okay. Just add the small amount of in iodine. If you are handling with carefully with this iodine, iodine is a this chemical this causes the staining property. So it's very carefully handle this one. So we are adding this small amount of iodine and check whether it's balanced. In your record in procedure, they are directly transferring this iodine to potassium iodide in mortar and pestle, but we are not using this mortar because this iodine have the staining property. So we are directly transferred to this measuring cylinder. Okay. And I am this already weighing all these ingredients. It is potassium iodide and iodine. This I am already weighed here. We just transfer to this measuring cylinder, that is 200 milligram of iodine. Just transfer to this measuring cylinder. And then second ingredient is potassium iodide. Why you are adding this potassium iodide? This helpful to dissolving this iodine and this make a complex, and then this liberate the iodine and this showing the bactericidal action. Okay, you just add 2 ingredients. Then your next ingredient is peppermint oil. Peppermint oil, we are adding just 0.1 ml of peppermint oil. This peppermint oil is a flavoring action. In most of preparation this peppermint oil is added because of its flavoring property. So we add only 0.1 ml of peppermint oil. Okay. Then here your preparation, here this glycerin is act as the vehicle. So your glycerin we need to make up with glycerin with a 15 ml. So first we add the small amount of glycerin. Okay. Then add small amount and then we mix with this glass rod. Then mix very well. I am selecting this measuring cylinder because this here this potassium iodide is help to dissolve this iodine, so we no need to use this mortar. Then we make up with this 15 ml with glycerin. Glycerin is act as the vehicle. So we can transfer it, we can use this measuring cylinder. Okay. Can transfer with the help of this measuring cylinder 15 ml. You make up to with 15 ml. Okay. Just mix with this glass rod. You get this is the Mandel's pain. This is the brownish color. We get the light pinkish. Okay. Now prepare this the 15 ml of Mandel's paint. So after preparation, you just transfer to this dispensing bottle. This is the amber color dispensing bottle that we are using. With the help of this measuring cylinder, can transfer to this dispensing bottle. Okay. Then your label I am already written here. This the label I am already written here. This the paint 15 ml, not to be swallowed, and here this write the patient's details and direction for use, that is apply the paint over throat mucosa with cotton swab twice daily after saline gargle. Then place of manufacturing, you can write this Pushpagiri Medical College, and then dispensed by your name, sign and register number. This is the dispensing method. So what are uses of Mandel's paint? This Mandel's paint are mainly used for tonsillitis and gingivitis. Okay. After your preparation, you can keep all this one. So this Mandel's paint, this mainly your preparation becomes the 15 ml of this Mandel's paint. This used for this tonsillitis, gingivitis and pharyngitis. Okay. Thank you.